the risk tolerance of the banks, are you seeing any adjustments on the refi for what they want from the property or what they want from the borrower?
It's mostly the borrower. I mean, we're doing a decent amount of DSCR stuff. So it's more straight cash flow and DSCR. So they want to see 1.2 plus. They want to see a minimal 700 plus credit score to get anything in the even in the eights. A single family home doesn't really cash flow that way. So we'll look at interest only options as well to especially if we get a 75% LTV loan, we have the equity. I'll take an IO loan to maybe cash flow a little bit with the idea of refinancing in 2 to 3 years in the future. So kind of stuff your pockets now with the cash flow, the print because your principal pay down in the beginning of those loans is really marginal anyway. So take that cash flow up front. If it stays at the value it's at, you can refinance in the future, barring a crazy prepayment penalty.